It does not matter whether you get 10 million votes or 20 million votes. If you get it by murder and killing people, if you get it by falsifying documents, however the numbers you end up getting in an election, that would not be the kind of election contemplated under Article 81 of the Constitution. The process matters. And anything in violation of the Constitution, if you look at the Constitution broadly, any infringement of the Constitution, violation of the Constitution in relation to state officers, including the President, including members of commissions, any infringement of the Constitution normally would attract consequences of removal, impeachment, because it's a matter that this Constitution frowns on. And that's why I always appreciate the fact that this Constitution requires of citizens, every person has an obligation to respect, uphold, and defend this Constitution. This petition is in defense of the Constitution. Is in defense of the Constitution because there's an election that has taken place that is putting somebody in office, or is attempting to put somebody in office without meeting the requirements of the Constitution, not only in terms of, not only quantitatively in terms of votes, but also in terms of what the Constitution requires the conduct of elections to be like. And the Malane Senior, Mr. Firoz Neroji, referred to a football match. These days, football has many rules, and they keep on improving. However many goals you score, if it is from an offside position, whether you're Messi or Ronaldo, it will not count. It will not count. So I urge the court, and I am an optimist. I think we are doing very well in this republic. I think we have come from very far. And as one who has practiced in these courts when things were extremely difficult, I know we are making progress, a lot of progress. There were times to file a petition like this was not easy. And if you file it, serving that petition will be very difficult. And that is not just because of legislation and a new constitution. The courts had made an intervention many times to protect the people against those who govern them, particularly. I therefore invite your lordships that looking at the article dealing with leadership and integrity, what has been placed before you is not a matter that the court can frown on, gloss over. This court said in 2017 in the Raila petition that if the Electoral Commission comes before you with the same kind of infractions and transgressions, this court will not hesitate to take measures against the Commission and its leadership. That is in the Raila judgment of 2017. In 2013, this same commission, fortunately for the chairperson, he was not there at that time, despite the fact that that petition was not allowed, but the court was not amused by the going-ons in the Electoral Commission, and by dint of the comments that were made by the court at that time, at least a few people were taken to court, although that case is still going on. I think this court